Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you plan to edit. Make sure two-step verification is ready in case Google prompts for it. Once signed in, navigate to My Account. Google.com, choose Personal Info, then Contact Info and tap Phone. You need the new phone nearby to receive verification codes, so get it set and unlocked now. This first move lets Google confirm identity quickly. Make sure the browser session is secure and not in a shared or public device. Next, select the phone entry and pick Edit or Add Phone, then type the new number exactly with country code. Once entered, choose SMS or voice call as your verification method. Google will send a 6-digit code to that device. You must enter the code on the Google page. Do this promptly because codes expire. Once the code verifies, Google updates the number. If you have multiple numbers, decide which one to make primary, and remove any old numbers you no longer control. Finish by confirming the new number appears under Contact Info and set as primary if desired. Make sure your recovery email and alternate phone are current to prevent lockout. If you don't receive the verification code, try toggling airplane mode or network, request SMS again, or switch to the voice call option. Sometimes carrier delays cause a short wait. If you're locked out or verification fails repeatedly, use Google's account recovery flow and supply previous passwords.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.